All right, so Mona comes to you.
Just pick up one of the moribunds.
Yes, you're right. But you know, buying those refineries now, once we touch them, then you hear a lot of noise. There are other people with a lot of money, maybe more cash than we have, that we believe they should go and try their own luck. You know, so that there won't be talk about monopoly. There will be talk about other people having opportunities. And I think you have a group like the DAPMAN, they should go and buy some of the refineries if they are for sale. If they are not for sale, then they should actually go and put on their own refinery. You know, it's better when you are playing football, it's better for everybody to play football, not somebody playing football, some people playing cricket. So I think it is by far better for other people to go and buy. So we will not be the only ones, you know, supporting this Mr. President's policy. At least there's now support from His Excellency the President, also supporting this sector to, you know, refine all our crude into petroleum products. And I think other people too, they should take this opportunity. For us, we already have our own, you know, infrastructure, and we want to remain where we are, to double our capacity, rather than going somewhere to, you know, this. And plus, we already designed it that way anyway. It's just that, you know, we say, okay, fine, let us start. If the condition, if the condition is, you know, conducive, we go ahead and double our capacity, and that's what we are doing. We're actually more than doubling a bit. We're going to 1.4 million from 650,000. So I think there are 30 people that have, you know, there are 30 people that have this sort of, you know, idea of either working in partnership with the NNPC to revive those refineries, which will help. You know, all of us will have to contribute our own quota to be able to achieve that $1 trillion economy. It doesn't come that easy. So we are doing our own, and I believe other people too, they should do their own.